Are you feeling pretty today? Well, you won't after we check out this washing machine. So one thing you could do with a washing machine is wash Elmo. So you stick them in here, and you look, you see these little knobs right here, and you set it to, see this right here? That says Bocce, which is Swedish for really clean. Now we're gonna let that wash for about 10 minutes and we'll be right back. Well, it's been 3 days. Let's have a look-see and see how Elmo is doing. Oh, yep. He is all nice and shiny. So as you may notice, when properly cleaned, Elmo looks a wee bit like a tiny chainsaw. Now when properly cleaned, you can do all sorts of things with Elmo. Like this. Whoa. As you can see, the washing machine has gone through some significant side effects from washing Elmo. It now is slightly larger. It has this thing. We have to fix this. We have to fix this. It didn't work! Run away! Ah!